Did you know that a significant number of dead batteries you throw away had only used roughly 20% of their battery life? What if you could instantly tap into the other 80% that is still trapped inside? Now you can with Batterizer. Batterizer is a reusable stainless steel sleeve that slips over your new or used batteries and taps into the 80% that is usually thrown away. When your batteries are running out of juice, just slip the Batterizer micro-thin sleeve over your low or dead battery, insert it back into your device, and see your power level jump from low to 100% instantly.
The idea of Batterizer was to come up with a way of squeezing all the juice out of the battery before you throw it away.
We tested the Batterizer in our lab and we confirmed that the Batterizer taps into that 80% energy that is usually thrown away.
What is most impressive about Batterizer, aside from its performance, is the fact that this technology would have not been available a few years ago. It is now only by pushing the edge of technology in industrial design, mechanical design, and electrical design that we've been able to achieve such miniaturization.
For too long, alkaline batteries have largely been unchanged in either their construction or their delivery of satisfaction. Batterizer changes all that.
Security means not just feeling like all is well at home, but knowing it is, even when you aren't there. That's why wireless home monitoring devices are becoming more and more popular. The only problem with most of them? The wires, as in power wires. They don't work unless you plug them in, which means your placement options can be very limited. Well, Blink is different. It's truly wireless, so you can put it anywhere and move it anywhere easily, and runs for over a year before it needs a battery change. Its motion sensor watches for movement when you're not home and triggers instant-on HD video recording. So not only do you get a text alert, you get a video and audio clip to know exactly what's going on. And get instant insight into what's happening at home anytime using the Blink app's Live View mode. And remember, a hardwired activation light and optional sound alert lets you know when Blink is recording, so your privacy is protected. And there are no monthly fees or contracts. So how can Blink do all this? Yes, other devices run on expensive, power-hungry third-party chips. Blink's processor is made by the same smart guys that make Blink. It's purpose-built for fast, efficient image processing. Everything Blink needs, and nothing it doesn't. Result? Create a Blink system tailored to your home for a fraction of the cost of other monitoring devices.
How do you engineer an experience? When you strip away everything weighing you down, holding you back, you begin to float away, weightless, hovering. This is the hoverboard, the essence of pure motion, captured, refined, and reinvented. The hoverboard translates your will into motion. A single point of contact with the ground minimizes friction and frees your movement from a linear path. Inside, precision sensors and electronics smooth and stabilize your ride, gently accelerating in whichever direction you lean. The controls are intuitive. Gently apply pressure to one end of the board to accelerate. Lean gently to one side or the other to turn in that direction. When you stop, you can set the board down on its side to dismount. The electric motor powers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, perfectly balancing safety with efficiency at every turn.
In my first company, I had to figure out some way to pack all of the control electronics and the drive electronics into the motor itself. I succeeded in doing that, and we called the product the Smart Motor. That really poised me perfectly for making the ultimate personal electric vehicle.
The hoverboard moves you, but it's also a part of you, with endless personalization options to make your hoverboard a perfect fit for you. Built-in speakers pair with your smartphone, giving you the perfect soundtrack for your daily commute or weekend joyride. Onboard lighting gives you visibility at night, letting you ride a cloud of light to your destination. The hoverboard is perfectly balanced in both form and function. It's fully electronic, whisper quiet, and amazingly efficient. The high-capacity battery takes you 15 to 20 miles on a single charge. And the best part? It's not just an idea. We are riding the experience today.
This is the light pulse cable. What makes our product stand out is our patented visible current technology in our charging and data cables. You're watching in real time the electrical current powering up your device. As your device charges to its full capacity, the current will slow down and the light will shut off when your battery reaches 100%. The idea for the light pulse cable was born when we discovered a new technology that allows you to visually see the rate at which your device charges. Our team at Pilot Electronics ran with the idea, and we went from merely a concept to developing a final product in a matter of months. Our initial line of products was well received by our consumers, but as we're always looking to improve, we asked our community for feedback. From this experience, one of our more common feedbacks was to create a longer cable, and one that works with your gaming consoles. Whether you're playing on your PS4 or Xbox, on your phone charging by your bedside, or on your mobile device in the car, the new electroluminescent cable allows for a more convenient use.
We've been designing robotic products together now for several years. We discovered that the one thing that's really holding back the next generation of mobile robots in the consumer market is an affordable and powerful scanning LiDAR sensor. LiDAR sensors are crucial to the success of autonomous vehicles, like self-driving cars and smart drones. They use laser light to detect how far away surfaces are, in order to do things like avoid hazards and make maps of new environments. We saw that most scanners were priced in the several thousands of dollars, and oftentimes are the single most expensive item in a robot. Even the ones that were more affordable just didn't perform well enough and were frustrating to use. So we set out to make one ourselves. With Sweep, we created the world's first long-range scanner that's purpose-built for consumer applications. When we designed Sweep, we had three main goals: make it powerful, make it easy to use, and make it affordable. We wanted even the most novice users to get up and running quickly, but we still wanted to provide the depth of information that the more seasoned users would expect. We went through almost a dozen iterations over the last 2 years until we found the perfect balance of simplicity and capability.
We also developed a visualization application that allows for quick viewing of the data, with options like signal strength feedback that allows for a deep understanding of the information.